Have you ever felt like life has thrown you off track? Maybe you've faced setbacks, failures, or unexpected challenges that have left you feeling defeated. In times like these, the ancient philosophy of Stoicism offers timeless wisdom on how to navigate adversity and make the greatest comeback of your life. Let's explore 7 key principles inspired by Stoicism that can help you turn setbacks into triumphs. 1. Embrace the power of perception. Stoicism teaches us that our perception shapes our reality. It's not the events themselves that dictate our happiness or suffering, but rather how we interpret and react to them. By understanding this principle, you can transform your perspective on setbacks. Rather than seeing them as roadblocks, view them as opportunities for growth and learning. For example, instead of lamenting a job loss, consider it as a chance to explore new career paths or develop new skills. By shifting your perception, you can turn adversity into a catalyst for your personal and professional development. 2. Cultivate resilience. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from adversity stronger and more resilient than before. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of building inner strength and fortitude to withstand life's challenges. Developing resilience involves accepting the inevitability of setbacks and failures while maintaining the determination to persevere. By acknowledging that setbacks are a natural part of life and viewing them as opportunities for growth, you can cultivate resilience. For instance, instead of allowing a setback to derail your progress, use it as motivation to become even stronger and more resilient in pursuing your goals. 3. Practice detachment. Stoicism encourages detachment from external outcomes and circumstances. Rather than becoming overly attached to specific outcomes, focus on doing your best in every situation without being emotionally invested in the outcome. This mindset allows you to maintain a sense of inner peace and clarity, even in the face of uncertainty. For example, if you're working towards a promotion at work, focus on performing your duties to the best of your abilities without fixating on whether or not you'll receive the promotion. By relinquishing control over external factors, you free yourself from the anxiety and fear of failure, enabling you to pursue your goals with greater purpose and confidence. 4. Live in the present moment. Stoicism, with its roots in ancient Greek philosophy, offers profound insights into how we perceive and experience reality. One of its core teachings is the significance of living in the present moment. This principle encourages individuals to shift their focus from dwelling on past regrets or anxieties about the future to fully engaging with the present. By practicing mindfulness and cultivating an acute awareness of the here and now, Stoicism teaches us to appreciate the richness of each moment and find tranquility amidst life's uncertainties. Living in the present moment doesn't mean disregarding past lessons or neglecting future planning. Instead, it involves acknowledging the past as a source of wisdom and the future as a realm of possibilities while centering our attention on the present. This mindset fosters a profound sense of inner peace and resilience, enabling individuals to confront life's challenges with clarity and equanimity. By embracing the present moment, we harness the power of now to shape our destinies and make the most of every opportunity for growth and fulfillment. 5. Develop virtue and character. At the heart of Stoic philosophy lies a profound emphasis on the cultivation of virtue and moral character as the cornerstone of a fulfilling life. Virtues such as courage, wisdom, resilience, and integrity are regarded as essential qualities that define a noble and flourishing existence. By actively nurturing these virtues in our daily lives, we not only enhance our own character, but also inspire those around us. For instance, practicing courage empowers us to confront our fears and pursue our aspirations with conviction, while embodying wisdom enables us to make sound decisions rooted in rationality and ethical principles. Resilience allows us to bounce back from setbacks with grace and determination, while integrity forms the bedrock of trust and authenticity in our relationships. By aligning our actions with these virtues, we forge a path of personal growth and become beacons of moral excellence in society. Through the cultivation of virtue and character, Stoicism offers a timeless blueprint for leading a life of purpose and integrity. 6. Embrace adversity as opportunity. Stoicism teaches us to reframe adversity not as a crushing defeat, but as a transformative opportunity for growth and self-discovery. Rather than succumbing to despair in the face of challenges, Stoics advocate for embracing adversity with courage and resilience. Every setback, according to Stoic philosophy, presents a chance to test our mettle and refine our character. By confronting adversity head-on and extracting valuable lessons from our experiences, we emerge stronger, wiser, and more resilient than before. Rather than viewing obstacles as insurmountable barriers, Stoicism invites us to approach them with a sense of curiosity and openness, recognizing them as stepping stones on the path to personal excellence. Embracing adversity as an opportunity for growth fosters a mindset of empowerment and optimism, propelling us towards our goals with renewed vigor and determination. Through the lens of Stoicism, setbacks are not impediments to success but integral components of a journey towards self-mastery and fulfillment. 7. Maintain a Stoic mindset. Central to the practice of Stoicism is the cultivation of a resilient and rational mindset that enables individuals to navigate life's challenges with equanimity and wisdom. This Stoic mindset is characterized by qualities such as mindfulness, self-discipline, and rationality, which serve as guiding principles in the pursuit of inner peace and virtue. Mindfulness, or the conscious awareness of one's thoughts and emotions, allows Stoics to observe their inner experiences without being consumed by them, fostering a sense of detachment and serenity. Self-discipline empowers individuals to exercise control over their actions and impulses, aligning their behavior with their highest ideals and values. Rationality, meanwhile, encourages a sober and objective assessment of reality, free from the distortions of emotion or irrationality. By integrating these principles into their daily lives, Stoics cultivate a resilient mindset that remains steadfast in the face of adversity while remaining compassionate and empathetic towards themselves and others. Through the practice of mindfulness, self-discipline, and rationality, Stoics equip themselves with the tools necessary to weather life's storms and emerge stronger and more resilient on the other side. Incorporating the wisdom of Stoicism into your life can empower you to overcome setbacks and adversity with grace, resilience, and determination. By embracing the power of perception, cultivating resilience, practicing detachment, living in the present moment, developing virtue and character, embracing adversity as opportunity, and maintaining a Stoic mindset, you can make the greatest comeback of your life and emerge stronger than ever before. Remember, the journey to greatness begins with a single step, so take that step today and start your comeback journey with Stoicism as your guide.